lines moving across the screen are known as cyanobacteria or blue-green algae, although it is not classified as an algae. They move across the surface by using protein fibrils and other organelle structures that secrete a slimy fluid, acting as a propellant. Cyanobacteria is one of the reasons you are here right now. They played a huge role in creating and sustaining the air in our atmosphere. Cyanobacteria is the source of the great oxidation event. It uses light to split water into its two chemical components. Hydrogen, which could be used to make energy-storing compounds, and oxygen, which was released into the environment as a waste product. 2.5 billion years ago, cyanobacteria is the only organism responsible for the air you breathe today. Other photosynthetic bacteria don't produce oxygen. So take a deep breath and enjoy the rest of the video.